Hey gang, Bo here. We are continuing on with the 6x14 cargo trailer camper conversion rolling cabin on wheels, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, Roaring Thunder, Rolling Thunder. I think we're going to go with Rolling Thunder. I'm a lightning guy. Anyway, today we're going to tackle the Fantastic Fan. I've been watching videos. Now you're going to get to see me do it. I don't know if I'll video the whole thing, but I had to run to Home Depot to get some bits that'll fit the screws that I can take off because nothing seems to be Phillips anymore. Everything is hex and square and all that. So anyway, so here it is. This is the fan that we're going to take out. And I made sure that it was a standard 14 inch so that we can put in a 14 inch Fantastic Fan. So there you have it. I'm going to take off this plate here. And then we're going to move up top and the part I don't like. We're going to have to scrape and all that crap. But I am going to put a hood on it. That way it's all done, installed, and I don't have to add it later. You know, it's really nice because this is February and I'm getting a 70-degree day in the middle of February to allow me to do this. Because if it was too cold, I don't know if I could do the seal and everything. But looks like today's going to work out pretty well. So I'm going to take this off and then we will go up on top. There you go. That's how easy it is. That's the easy part. All right, up on top we go. Hey gang, the one thing I found out is putty knife didn't work very well. I tried a torch. They said it comes off like butter if you use a torch. Sorry, it's really windy out here. But this razor blade scraper works really well. It gets it right off down to the metal. So my life just became easier. So now we're going to go on the other side and see what we can do. Okay, well, it looks like I got that thing scraped off and yanked out and screws out and all that good stuff. And here's the tip. Okay, I tried heating up a scraper putty knife with a torch. I thought that was going to work really well, but it actually didn't. And the thing that worked the most was this. Good old razor blade scraper. It got right under that and just scraped it right off. So there's a tip. If you're going to do this, try using one of these because it'll make your life a lot easier. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then screw it, put the Fantastic Fan in, screw it down, and then I got to put the hood on top of it. So away we go. Okay guys, I put down a layer of the Buell tape. And it's a little bit gooey stuff. Thank God it's a nice warm day. It's a little windy, but anyway, I just broke a couple drill bits, drilling in all the holes. So I had to run to Home Depot, get a titanium, and so I'm going to drill the holes, screw everything down, but the second one on each side, and then I'm going to install the Fantastic Fan hood. So there you have it. Well, there you have it. We got the Fantastic Fan on top installed and the self-leveling lap sealant on. That stuff is gooey and messy, and no way I was touching the camera after I got this stuff all over me. But anyway, there it is. Not the sweetest, nicest job, but and then if you can look right here, you'll see the brackets for the hood that goes on top over that. And that's one thing I wanted to have, because we do get some great rainstorms up in the mountains in the afternoon, and like that little added extra protection. So there you have it. That's what a gooey job looks like. Well, it was close to 70 and windy as ever. I was blowing around up there. And this is what I woke up to today. So it was 70 yesterday, close to 70 around there. It was pretty warm up on that roof. Did get the Fantastic fan on. Got the hardware for the hood on. And hopefully the sealant, the lap sealant, had enough time to level out and dry. So I guess we'll find out in the first rainstorm, which won't be for a little bit. But there you have it. Snow.